Here's a list of the top 10 most frequently asked definitions in Edexcel IGCSE biology. Number 1. A transgenic is an organism that has a gene transferred from a different species. Codominance is the case when both alleles are expressed to influence the phenotype. A habitat is the place in the environment where the organism lives. Number 4. A population is a group of organisms of one species in a habitat. 5. An ecosystem is the interaction between the biotic and abiotic factors in the environment. A gene is a length of DNA that codes for a protein. 7. Genome is all the genes in an organism. A mutation is random change in DNA. Number 9. Diffusion is the movement of particles from high to low concentration. Finally, osmosis is the diffusion of water through a partially permeable membrane from high to low water potential.